If you are thinking about selling on Redbubble, I hope this video will help you decide. I will talk about my experience, followed by the pros and cons, and then give you my honest conclusion. I'm not professional or good designer, but I love to design and create money-making opportunities. I'm still working my 9-to-5 job. I own 3 websites, a few YouTube channels, and I'm starting to create low-content books for Amazon KDP. I have over 8 years of experience buying and selling websites, even when my biggest handicap is that English is not my main language because I'm from Central Europe. When I first heard about print on demand, I loved the idea. You create and upload a design to a website and allow the design on some products, and voila, you can make money with each sale. Back then, when I started, I had heard that Redbubble is the best POD platform because it is free, good for beginners, and everyone can join it. Right now, I have over 300 designs on Redbubble. Some are just simple text design, some of them took a lot of time to create. But if you expect I'm making hundreds of dollars from these 300 designs, you will be surprised. On Redbubble, there is a huge competition, over 500,000 artists, and making sales is harder each day. Making a few sales a month, as I am, can be demotivating, but if you want to success in any part of life, consistency is a key. So I'm still uploading around 20 designs per month, and I'm still hoping to get more sales. If you still want to start selling on Redbubble, here are the pros and cons of this POD platform. Starting your own shop on Redbubble is completely free. You simply join Redbubble with your email, fill in some important stuff about yourself, and upload a logo and banner for the shop. Once the shop is ready, you can upload your first design. The process is quite intuitive, everyone can do it. A great thing about Redbubble is that you can choose the profit margin for each product. Unlike TeePublic or Spreadshirt, where the prices are fixed, Redbubble has a standard fee for each of their products, and then the seller can add the commission they want from each sale. Redbubble has at least 75 different types of products that can you put your designs on. And a cool thing is that you only need one JPEG of your art, and the platform will put that art on all of their products. I'm talking about t-shirts, pillows, phone cases, puzzles, tote bags, or stickers. Even though you can set your profit margins, the commissions are still small, and it takes hundreds of sales to earn a significant amount of money. The best-selling products on Redbubble are stickers and t-shirts, and with an average $2 commission for a classic t-shirt, don't expect big income. A couple years ago, there were not many artists on Redbubble, but this has changed drastically when a lot of people suddenly discovered print on demand. The competition on Redbubble is really extreme, but you can still make money here. While there are hundreds of thousands of competing designs on Redbubble, most of them are not high quality. There are also plenty of people trying to sell a few designs and then quickly giving up. Most people who discovered how easy the print-on-demand model is do not stick it out long enough to see results. The marketplace is saturated. However, there are tons of niches that needs artists to fill the customers' needs. Redbubble is a big player in the print-on-demand space. It gets tons of traffic and hungry buyers. However, if you are looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, then Redbubble is not worth your time. It will not make you rich, but it can still help you generate good money from your artwork. I'm still making a few sales per month, and the income I get from those sales is paying me for software I'm using in other online ventures. But if you are looking for slowly built passive income over time that can last for years to come, and you have the patience and discipline, then Redbubble is definitely worth your time. And the beauty of the print on demand is that you are keeping all the rights to the artwork and you can license the same design on other POD platforms such as TeePublic, Spreadshirt, or Merch by Amazon. For me, Redbubble is zero-risk way to create a new income stream for myself and to improve my design skills. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the Nech Empire YouTube channel.